Tubers, it's your girl Tam. So today I wanted to take you guys with me to this ramen, this little small mom and pop little shop, this ramen spot. They have some of the best ramen there is. Like my husband say, whenever you see the pig on the window, it's official, like a referee with a whistle. In my husband's words, of course. Let's check it out. Okay, guys, it's hot as I don't know what out here, but this is the ramen shop that we're going to. Um, so let's look for the piggy on the window. And there you have it. You got the pig on the window, so it must be official. Let's go in and check it out. There it is, guys. Ramen. One of my favorite things to eat. My husband's putting some garlic on his. It's the mixed garlic. And I guess that's some kind of chili pepper. Is that chili pepper, Ben? They have the chili pepper. And another thing that I like is this here. I like the the ginger. Are you ready to get in it? Let me get some. Guys, I'm gonna have to put this camera down. Hold on.
It's a grown man business.
You gotta show 'em, baby. Ooh, that looks yummy. That looks good, baby. And of course, my gyoza. My rice. That's my big
Very.
one.
Father God, bless the school future about to receive from the nurse my vitamins, even so, bless those who have my food, water, clothing, for sure. Yes, we pray in Jesus' holy name.
Amen, baby. Guys, this is about to be good. That garlic. I love the garlic, baby.
I ain't ready for this. Just that real deal one.
The real deal.
Real deal one.
Oh, man. I dropped a little juice on my clothes. Ain't no napkin. Guys, the Japanese culture don't have paper towels. They always give you the Kleenex wipes.
Nothing wrong with a little toilet paper.
It's about to be good.
Used for any kind of boo boo.
Ew. That's disgusting. That's disgusting, man. Is it spicy? Did the chili stuff make it spicy?
Good, like not too hot.
Oh,
I did that.
that's good. I want some soy sauce for my gyoza. Guys, I like to put the soy sauce on the gyoza as well as the vinegar.
Just gonna give it that kick. Mm, mm, mm.
I don't care how hot it is outside, baby, huh? You can always eat soup.
It's hot in here.
Mm. Oh, I can't forget the ginger. like to put it on the side so I can grab it.
Seaweed on that thing.
I mean, I ain't no fan of the seaweed, but you like it. You like it, I love it, baby. Mm. I'm gonna try some of Babe's little onions and some kind of onions, meat, and beans. I mean, not beans, rice.
It's that pork.
What's good? I've been gonna eat all of that, but you gotta take that.
How about dude?
That's good. I told you I'm gonna eat all that. That's good. They got like a little sweet taste to it, huh? And you can't talk when you got something in your mouth, huh?
Oh, you can talk. And the reason why you talking because it ain't no good.
Guys, living in Japan has its ups and downs, pros and cons. Um,
I'm gonna tell you what I ain't gonna miss. Tolls are expensive.
that's one of the downs that I was talking about.
Parking everywhere is expensive. I remember one time we parked somewhere that got doggone the parking was more than the meal, and I took the whole family out.
But I will miss
Yeah,
food like this.
yeah.
Food like this. The customer service I will miss.
Look at this. I like it.
Yeah, a lot of onions on there. I like that
That's
too.
what I'm saying. I like that.
Yeah. Customer service is
Strawberry
excellent.
sherry.
Hmm.
I ain't sharing with you, baby. I need my own. We go to the movies.
Mm.
I ask you what you want, cause you ain't getting none of my popcorn.
Yeah, you stingy when it comes to popcorn, baby. I have gone the whole movie without my husband giving me enough his popcorn. He's stingy when it comes to popcorn. Mm.
Okay, what you want? I don't even want nothing.
I'm good.
Okay. Stomach about to be touching your back today.
But you know what? Sometimes I ask you, baby, you want popcorn? And sometimes you say no.
Nah, I'm different.
And then when I go get mine, when I get my popcorn, I come out with it. I say, you want some? And he's like, no, I'm good. You wait until I get to the half of the box, and then you try to take the rest of it.
But I know you ain't gonna eat it all.
How you know?
No, you do. But you hot, you sucking on that juice, though.
I should try some of the pepper stuff in mine.
good. It ain't that hot.
Give it a little spice. Okay.
Yeah, hit it with one little scoop. Yeah, that side right there. You good.
And we didn't even do no thumbnail.
Hmm?
We didn't do no thumbnail.
I don't know nothing about no fun here. There you go right there. Big up to this meal.
You gotta do like this. You gotta pick something up. Get ready to put it in your mouth. Hold on, let me get right. The chili sauce is good, but it seems like it takes away from a little from the garlic.
Take away from nothing. Because when it takes away, then you add more.
You add more.
If you say it take away from the garlic, you add more garlic.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna add more garlic. I like garlic. That little fan feels good, don't it? That little breeze coming about in your neck. You gonna pull?
My eyes be bigger than my stomach. Can't never be too full for that seaweed though. I'm talking about marijuana weed, I'm talking about seaweed.
Okay, guys. So we're going to go ahead and finish our meal, and then we'll get back with you guys when we leave out of here. Why you gotta look like that? The ramen mom and pop shop is on point. Oh, I never showed you guys their little setup. Let me show you that now. Okay, so we're just now leaving the ramen spot. The ramen was very good. It's hot outside, so it was too hot to drink the juice. However,
The broth.
I'm sorry. It was too hot to drink the broth. However, the noodles and onions, scallions, really? You can just correct everything I say. The scallions, the onions, the broth, and the
Seaweed.
Pork. I'm not a fan of seaweed.
Baby, you smoke more weed than
What?
anybody I know.
Babe, stop acting. You crazy. You crazy. Stop acting. I'm not a fan of the seaweed, but my husband and my kids love it.
Tell you, man. Hey, when you see that pig on that daggone window, you know it's about to be official like a referee with a whistle. Because it's about to go down.
I told you guys he'd say that, didn't I? Told you.
About to go down. Now, I'm up at one of my favorite little honey holes. Up garage for all y'all car people out there. You know, my wife sit in the car, but you know, she gonna sit in the car today too.
Why you say that?
So,
Because I don't like to go in up garage.
Real talk, I don't know who's watching this video. To all the Chief Petty Officer selectees that were selected to be a Chief Petty Officer, congratulations.
Congrats.
Tis the season. Hey, it's going to be a hard 6 weeks because your boy, Senior Chief, ain't taking no prisoners. We ain't letting you in the mess if you soft.
Really?
Yep.
Guys, I am not going in up garage because I don't want to. And that's a bunch of man stuff. I don't know.
Car stuff, man. Car.
Maybe I'll take you guys in there one day, but not 2 days. And with that being said, I got a sweet tooth, so when my husband come back in the car, I'm gonna have him to take me to one of the donut shops, and I'm going to show you guys that. Those look so good. I want one of the strawberries. Hi. Can I please have this one here, the strawberry? Hi. One chocolate. Oh, I like these here. What are these called? The little, yeah. And one of these here. That's it. To go, please. Thank you. How much? $4.95. Okay. What are these here? What are these? What are they? What kind? Like a dry fruit? Cinnamon? Cinnamon. Okay. And what about this one? What is that? Grape. Okay, I'll roll with it. I'll take both of them. Hi. Yes. Hopefully my husband gave me enough money. Let's see. Hi, arigato gozaimasu. Thank you. Okay, guys. I just want to get on here and thank you guys for joining us today. Our little adventure. We're getting ready to eat our donuts and head back to this house to check on the kiddos.
I ain't got no kiddos.
Really?
I ain't got none.
Okay, don't let me take you on paternity court.
I'm questioning the paternity of them kids anyway.
You crazy. They both look like you. I don't told you. Don't start. Don't even start. Don't start. Because you know what I say. Don't start.
I'm telling you, dude.
The new dry fruit one, it ain't all that. You like that one? I guess so. But, yeah. I'm going to bring this video to an end. That way it's not extra long. With that being said, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you know when we're coming out with new videos.
And you'll see us on paternity court soon.
Yes, him saying you are the father. And everybody gonna be like, yeah, I knew it because them kids look spitting image of him. He crazy. Anyway, holla and follow.